Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy F13. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and there you will find here at the cover. At the cover you will find here another white box, and if you turn the white box you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Just remove it like this. Oops. And yeah, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM slot. And below the SIM slot is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and that SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card, what is very nice. Let us start now with the first SIM card. You can place it here in the middle, or you need to place it in the middle. Okay, and yeah, there's a missing corner. It belongs to the missing corner here, the SIM tray. So just check the missing corner on the SIM card. And it only fits like this. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here at the front. Also, missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, and as I said, we can add also a micro SD card here to extend the internal storage. It's the last space here. So this is how it should look like then. And of course, you can use also the micro SD card with just one SIM card. And yeah, the contacts are here as well below, as you can imagine. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put the SIM tray back to the SIM slot. Close it well. Yeah, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.